Welcome to Maths Academy. On this channel, you can learn maths in its simplest and easiest way. Maths is fun. Today, we'll be doing changing fractions from one form to the next. We'll start with changing improper fraction to a mixed number. So there are two steps that you need to follow. First, you need to find out how many times can the denominator go into the numerator. And second, you need to find out how many remainder is there. These are two key essential steps in changing an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's give it a try. 15/4. 15/4 is an improper fraction. Therefore, we need to change or convert 15/4 to a mixed number. The first step is to see how many times 4 can go into 15. 4 can go into 15 3 times. And that 3 would be the whole number. 4 times 3 is then equal to 12. 15 minus 12 is then equal to 3. So you'll have a remainder of 3. Therefore, 4 go into 15 3 times. So, how did that? 16/10. Changing 16/10 to a mixed number, the first step is to see how many times 10 can go into 16. And 10 can go into 16 only once. So that one will be the whole number for the mixed number. And 10 times 1 is equal to 10. 10 from 16 is equal to 6. So you'll have a remainder of 6. So 10 can go into 16 one time. Therefore, your answer would be 1 and 6/10. The 1, how do you get 1? Because 10 can only go into 16 one time. And 6 as the numerator is 10 from 16. And you write back the same denominator. This can be also simplified to 1 and 3/5 because 2 can go into 6 3 times and 2 can go into 10 5 times. 19/6. Changing 19/6 to a mixed number, first you need to see how many times 6 can go into 19. 6 can go into 19 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 from 19 give a remainder of 1. So 1 will be your numerator. Therefore, 6 can go into 19 3 times, which will give you an answer of 3 and 1/6. 25/15. 15 can go into 25 only once. And 15 times 1 is equal to 15. 15 from 25 is equal to 10. So you will have a remainder of 10. So 15 goes into 25 one time and Therefore, your answer is 1 and 10 over 15, and this can be simplified to 1 and 2/3, because 5 can go into 10 2 times and 5 can go into 15 3 times. Changing back mixed number to an improper fraction. So the steps involve: first, you need to times the whole number by the denominator. Then you add the numerator to the first step. So after you times the whole number by the denominator, you add the numerator. And then you write back the denominator. So let's practice the first one. 1 and 10 over 15. The first step is to times the whole number by the denominator. Therefore, 1 times 15 is equal to 15. Then you add the numerator. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. And the answer you get, you will write this as your numerator. Therefore, 1 and 10 over 15 is equal to 25 over 15. Let's do a next one. 5 and 4 over 5. The first thing you need to do is times the whole number by the denominator, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then you add the numerator to 25, which will give you 29. Therefore, 5 and 4 over 5 is equal to 29 over 5. Let's try our next one. 2 and 5 over 6. The first thing you do is times the whole number by the denominator, and 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Then you add the numerator. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. That 17 will now be your new numerator, and you will write back 6 as your denominator. So your answer is 17 over 6. 4 and 1/3 is, first thing you do is times 4 by 3, which will give you 12. Then you add 1 to that 12, which will give you 13. That 13 is now your new numerator, and you will write back 3 as your denominator. So your answer is 13 over 3. If you have come to the end of this video, please subscribe, leave a comment and like. See you in my next video.